Bhagat Singh 113th birth anniversary. PM Modi, others paid his tribute. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and others paid homage to freedom fighter Bhagat Singh on his 113th birth anniversary. Prime Minister Modi described Bhagat Singh as a symbol of bravery and courage. Along with the video, PM Modi today wrote on Twitter, "Tribute to Amar Shahid Bhagat Singh, the heroic son of Ma Bharati. His courage and bravery will continue to inspire people across generations." Bhagat Singh was born at Banga in Faisalabad district, now in Pakistan, in 1907. At 69th edition of Mann Ki Baat on Sunday, PM Modi spoke extensively about Bhagat Singh. "I want to take you down to the memory lane. This pertains to something that happened 101 years ago. In 1919, British rulers massacred innocent people at Jallianwala Bagh. After massacre, a 12-year-old boy went to the spot and saw things which were beyond his imagination. He was shocked to see how can someone be so cruel. The innocent boy was so angry. He swore to fight the British colonial rulers. I joined countrymen in bowing before Shahid Bhagat Singh, the symbol of bravery and courage," the Prime Minister said. "They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit." Vice President M. Venkataya Naidu wrote in his tribute on Bhagat Singh. Union Home Minister Amit Shah paid tribute to Shahid Bhagat Singh. Taking to Twitter, Amit Shah said, "I express my gratitude to Shahid Bhagat Singh, who gave new direction to freedom struggle through his revolutionary ideas and supreme sacrifices that awakened the resolve of independence among the youth of the country. He will always remain a source of inspiration for us." Bhagat Singh, the revolutionary freedom fighter, took on the colonial rulers. He was executed by the British at the age of 23. He was hanged in the Lahore jail along with two other famous freedom fighters, Rajguru and Sukhdev Thapar, on March 23, 1931. The sacrifices of the freedom fighters left deep impact on India. Reporter Bhumika Bansal, Country and Politics.